Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Firdousia Vlogs. So here's the second video in our AHLAN Ramadan series. I hope you all would have watched yesterday's video and tried out the recipe too. If not, then I'm dropping the link in my description box. Do check that out. You're watching the second day in our series only on Firdousia Vlogs. So it's the second day and these were the items we had for our iftar. Lime juice, egg puffs, chicken bread roll and sweet samosa. So today I'm gonna show you all the recipe of my favorite chicken bread roll. If you have bread in your home, then this will be the most tastiest snack that you have made out of it. Let's begin with the recipe. First of all, we'll be preparing the filling for this bread roll. You may use any kind of filling that you prefer, sweet or spicy. Here, I'll be showing you all the recipe for this quite spicy filling. Let's start by heating oil in a pan. To this, we'll be adding 2 medium finely chopped onions, Now add a pinch of salt and mix this well all together. Now it's time to spice this up. Let's add half a spoon of chili powder, just a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of pepper powder. Now let's give this a tight mix. Time to add in shredded chicken. For a final touch, I am adding coriander leaves here. Mix this well and your filling is ready. Now I am gonna cut the sides of the bread slices. Here I've taken 8 slices of bread. So here I finished cutting the sides of the bread slices. Don't throw away the sides of the bread because we have to grind them in order to make breadcrumbs. Now let's roll the bread slice in order to flatten it up. Now I'm going to brush milk over this slice. This is to make it easier for rolling. Now let's roll this up with the filling we made. Repeat this process until all the bread slices are rolled up. So I finished rolling all of these. Now let's coat them first with the egg mixture and then into the breadcrumbs. So now I've finished coating all of these. Now it's time to fry our chicken bread rolls. Make sure that you don't fry them too much. Now let's take them out. So that's it, we are done with the recipe of chicken bread rolls. Don't forget to try this recipe and share your feedback through the comment box. Keep waiting for our next video. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.